Hello everyone and welcome to this comprehensive guide on social media marketing. In today's video, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started with social media marketing, as well as some advanced strategies that can help you take your social media presence to the next level. Social media marketing has become a crucial component of any digital marketing strategy. With billions of users on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, businesses can reach a vast audience and engage with them in a more personal and interactive way. It's no longer just an option to have a social media presence, it's a necessity. But with so many social media platforms and marketing strategies available, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. That's why we've created this video to guide you through the basics of social media marketing, as well as some advanced tactics to help you stand out from the competition. We'll cover everything from creating a social media strategy to building a following and driving traffic to your website. We'll also dive into some more advanced strategies like influencer marketing, social media advertising, user-generated content, social listening, and analytics and reporting. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of the fundamentals of social media marketing, and be equipped with some powerful strategies to help you succeed in the ever-evolving world of social media. So, if you're ready to take your social media game to the next level, let's dive in. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and like the video too. And before that, I just want to take a moment to thank you all for tuning in to my channel. Your support means the world to me and I couldn't have done this without you. I poured my heart and soul into creating this video, and I truly hope that you find it valuable. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. It would mean the absolute world to me. I've spent countless hours researching and putting together tips and strategies to help you make money online, change your mindset, and achieve your goals. And I promise you, it's all worth it. Making money online isn't easy, but with the right mindset and strategies, it's absolutely possible. And that's what I'm here to help you with. I want to share everything I know with you, so that you can achieve the financial freedom and success you deserve. So please, subscribe to my channel and like this video. It may seem like a small gesture, but it means everything to me. And in return, I promise to keep creating valuable content to help you on your journey. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Part 1. The basics of social media marketing. When it comes to social media marketing, the first step is to understand your target audience. Who are they, and what social media platforms do they use most frequently? This will help you determine where to focus your efforts and what type of content to create. Once you've identified your target audience and the social media platforms they use, it's time to start creating content. Your content strategy should align with your brand and your goals for social media marketing. For example, if you're a fashion brand, you might want to create visually appealing content that showcases your products and promotes your brand image. On the other hand, if you're a B2B service provider, you might want to focus on creating content that provides value to your audience and positions you as a thought leader in your industry. Regardless of your industry or target audience, it's important to create content that is both engaging and valuable. This means thinking about what your audience wants to see and providing it to them in a way that is visually appealing and easy to consume. Some examples of engaging content might include how-to videos, behind-the-scenes glimpses of your business, user-generated content, or stories that highlight your brand values and mission. In addition to creating content, building a following is a critical component of social media marketing. This involves actively engaging with your audience, responding to comments and messages, and growing your follower base. Some strategies for building a following include hosting giveaways, collaborating with other brands or influencers in your industry, and running paid social media advertising campaigns. Finally, driving traffic to your website or other online channels is another important goal of social media marketing. This can be accomplished through strategies like including links to your website in your social media posts, creating landing pages specifically for social media users, or running social media advertising campaigns that direct users to your website or other online channels. Overall, the basics of social media marketing involve understanding your target audience, creating engaging and valuable content, building a following, and driving traffic to your website or other online channels. By mastering these fundamentals, you can establish a strong social media presence and lay the foundation for more advanced social media marketing strategies. Part 2. Advanced social media marketing strategies. Once you've established a solid foundation for your social media presence, it's time to start exploring more advanced strategies that can help you stand out from the competition and reach even more potential customers. Here are some advanced social media marketing strategies to consider. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing has become one of the most effective social media marketing strategies in recent years. The idea behind influencer marketing is to partner with individuals or organizations who have a large following on social media and who are considered experts or thought leaders in their field. These influencers have a high level of influence over their audience, which can be leveraged by brands to promote their products or services. When it comes to influencer marketing, the key is to choose the right influencer who aligns with your brand values and has a genuine connection with your target audience. For instance, if you're a sports apparel brand, you might consider partnering with a fitness influencer who has a large following on Instagram or YouTube. Similarly, if you're a food brand, you might consider partnering with a popular food blogger or chef. To find the right influencer, you'll need to do some research and analysis. Start by identifying influencers in your niche or industry who have a large following on social media. Look for influencers who are active on the platforms your target audience uses most, and who have a track record of engaging with their followers in a meaningful way. Once you've identified potential influencers, take the time to review their content and engagement metrics. Look at their follower count, engagement rates, and the types of content they create to determine if they would be a good fit for your brand. It's also important to evaluate their authenticity and credibility, as well as any potential conflicts of interest. When partnering with an influencer, it's important to establish clear expectations and goals for the collaboration. Work together to create a content plan that aligns with your brand values and resonates with your target audience. Consider offering the influencer creative freedom while ensuring that their content aligns with your brand guidelines. Influencer marketing can be an effective way to reach a wider audience and build credibility with your target market. However, it's important to choose the right influencer and establish clear goals and expectations for the collaboration. By partnering with influencers who align with your brand values and have a genuine connection with your target audience, you can create a successful influencer marketing campaign that drives results for your brand or business. Social media advertising. Social media advertising is a powerful tool that can help you reach a highly targeted audience and achieve your business goals. With social media advertising, you can create and run paid ads on popular social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. These ads can be used to promote your brand, product, or service to a specific audience based on factors such as age, location, interests, and behaviors. One of the benefits of social media advertising is its cost effectiveness. Social media platforms offer a range of advertising options that can fit within any budget, making it accessible to businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a small startup or a large corporation, social media advertising can help you achieve your marketing objectives while staying within your budget. To get started with social media advertising, you'll need to have a clear strategy and budget in place. Start by defining your advertising goals and identifying the key metrics that will help you measure success. This might include metrics such as clicks, conversions, and cost per acquisition. Next, you'll need to choose the right social media platforms for your advertising campaign. Each platform offers different targeting options and ad formats, so it's important to choose the platform that aligns with your goals and target audience. Once you've chosen your platform, you can begin creating your ads. Social media ads can take many forms, including image ads, video ads, carousel ads, and more. When creating your ads, make sure they are visually appealing and include a clear call to action that encourages users to engage with your brand. Finally, it's important to continuously monitor and optimize your social media ads to maximize their effectiveness. This might include adjusting your targeting options, refining your ad creative, or changing your bidding strategy. By continuously testing and optimizing your ads, you can improve their performance and achieve better results over time. In conclusion, social media advertising is a powerful tool that can help you reach a highly targeted audience and achieve your business goals. By having a clear strategy and budget in place, choosing the right platform, creating engaging ad content, and continuously monitoring and optimizing your ads, you can create a successful social media advertising campaign that drives results for your brand or business. User-generated content. User-generated content, UGC, is a type of content that is created and shared by users of social media platforms, rather than the brand itself. By encouraging your audience to create and share content related to your brand or product, you can build a more engaged community and increase your brand's visibility. There are a variety of ways to encourage user-generated content. One popular method is to ask your audience to share photos or videos of themselves using your product or service. This not only provides you with valuable content to share on your social media channels, but it also allows your audience to see how others are using and benefiting from your product. Another effective way to encourage UGC is to run a social media contest. For example, you could ask your audience to create a short video or photo that showcases your product or service in a unique way, and offer a prize to the winner. This can be a fun and engaging way to encourage your audience to interact with your brand, while also generating valuable content. In addition to increasing engagement and building brand awareness, UGC can also help to establish social proof. When people see others using and enjoying your product or service, they are more likely to trust and engage with your brand. This can ultimately lead to increased sales and customer loyalty. However, it's important to approach UGC with caution. You should always have clear guidelines in place for the type of content you want to encourage, and be prepared to monitor and moderate user-generated content to ensure it aligns with your brand values and messaging. With the right strategy and approach, UGC can be a powerful tool in your social media marketing arsenal. Collaborations. Collaborations can take many forms, from co-creating content to cross-promotions and even joint product development. By working with other brands or influencers in your industry, you can tap into their existing audience and reach new customers who may not have discovered your brand otherwise. One effective collaboration strategy is to find a complementary brand or influencer to partner with. For example, if you sell healthy snacks, you could partner with a fitness influencer to create a joint campaign promoting healthy living. Or, if you offer digital marketing services, you could collaborate with a graphic design company to create a joint webinar on the importance of branding. Collaborations can also help you establish social proof and build credibility with your target market. By partnering with well-respected brands or influencers in your industry, you can demonstrate to your audience that your brand is reputable and trustworthy. When considering a collaboration, it's important to have clear goals and expectations in place. Make sure both parties are aligned on the objectives of the partnership, as well as the specific deliverables and timelines. It's also important to establish a fair and equitable arrangement that benefits both parties. Overall, collaborations can be a highly effective social media marketing strategy for building your brand, reaching new audiences, and establishing credibility with your target market. Analytics and reporting. Finally, analytics and reporting are essential for understanding the impact of your social media marketing efforts and making data-driven decisions. By tracking metrics like engagement, reach, conversions, and ROI, you can gain valuable insights into what's working and what's not, and adjust your strategy accordingly. It's important to regularly analyze your social media performance and report on your results to stakeholders. This can help you demonstrate the value of your social media marketing efforts and justify any investments you've made. Consider creating regular reports that highlight key metrics, trends, and successes, as well as any areas for improvement. In conclusion, social media marketing can be a powerful tool for building brand awareness, engaging with your target audience, and driving business results. Whether you're just getting started or looking to take your efforts to the next level, it's important to have a clear strategy, create compelling content, engage with your audience, and measure your results. By following these best practices and staying up to date with the latest trends and strategies, you can set yourself up for social media success. And that's a wrap on social media marketing. Whether you're just getting started or looking to take your social media presence to the next level, these strategies can help you build a strong following and drive traffic to your website or other online channels. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and don't forget to follow my social media accounts @_mastermind09.